In this tutorial, I'll be covering where to save our GIS files. The process basically involves copying and pasting a set of folders to a predetermined location. This location is typically called a working drive. A working drive means a place where you keep files you are currently working on. Typically, it is not the same drive as your operating system, but it is often a fast drive so you can complete work quickly. So in my scenario here, my working drive is going to be my G drive. And one of the things that I did was create a projects folder, coursework, resources, and a place where I kind of store my personal files, mostly software. So inside of projects, I have my file management template, and inside of my file management template, well, before I actually copy and paste files over, one of the things that I usually do is I copy this and I paste this here, and then I rename this copy to the actual project that I'm working on. So I'll just call it demo project for the sake of discussion. And inside of demo project, there is a GIS directory, so these are all the potential project assets that you might have. And of course, this may not all apply to the particular project that you're working on, so you'll probably want to go through and delete some of the folders. It's much more easier to delete a folder than it is to create the structure that you need. So everything that you need is already here. All you have to do is just delete things that you don't need. So we're going to be saving our GIS files inside of the GIS directory, and we notice inside of the GIS directory are several folders. So each folder kind of gives you a hint as to what you should be saving in there. So 3D data, the geodatabase, layers, maps, models, raster, shapefiles, our source files. So of course, any of our data that we may potentially download, we're going to want to save into our source file, and then we want to modify a copy of the source and not the original data. Then we have services, tables, templates, and a workspace where we can put things that are work in progress. Usually I save my MXD files in here, which are the ArcMap files.